Hey guys, I really had to do a lot of digging to find dual exhaust to go on my C20 to work with a stock cast iron exhaust manifolds. I really didn't want to put headers on, so the digging ensued, and I only found one company that offers a dual exhaust kit that will connect to the cast iron exhaust manifolds, and that's Hooker, believe it or not. You can buy their dual exhaust kit for headers or for their cast iron exhaust manifolds. And you got two options. One is turbo flow mufflers and the other one is GlassPacks. Fortunately, I've put this exhaust kit on two different trucks, mine and my buddy Bill, and he managed to get the turbo mufflers. When I ordered mine, the turbo mufflers were out of stock, so this one here's got GlassPacks. I want to show you a couple video clips of both trucks and how they sound with the different muffler options. But good information to have if you're looking at putting dual exhaust on your truck and you really don't want to do headers. Y'all enjoy. That is Hooker dual exhaust with turbo mufflers on a 1972 C10 stock engine with cast iron exhaust manifolds. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like the video, and when you subscribe, click that little bell down there and you'll get a notification every time we post another video. Y'all have a great day.